DEVONthink versus Obsidian, which knowledge tool fits you best? If you're serious about personal knowledge, management, or research, two standout tools, DEVONthink and Obsidian. While both help you organize and retrieve information efficiently, they serve different types of users. DEVONthink leans more into archival and file management, while Obsidian is a powerful markdown based note taking system built for linking thoughts and ideas. So let's start off with DEVONthink. So this is a Mac OS exclusive application built for document management, research, archiving, and personal data organization. It can store nearly any file type, PDFs, emails, web pages, and more, and uses AI to suggest relationships between your documents. If you're looking to build a highly searchable, curated library of files with long-term reliability, DEVONthink is a top-tier choice. Now let's go ahead and talk about the pros. So it handles a wide variety of file types, built-in OCR tagging and smart search, AI-powered organization and grouping. This is great for researchers, academics, and lawyers. Setbacks: Mac OS only, steeper learning curve, and paid license is required. Obsidian is a markdown based knowledge base that emphasizes linking ideas through backlinks and graph views. It's lightweight, cross platform, and ideal for note taking, personal wikis, and building a second brain. Everything is stored in plain.md files locally, which keeps your data portable and future proof. Pros: free for personal use, cross platform, and works offline. Great for network thinking, add backlinks, active plugin ecosystem for customization. Setbacks: not designed for file archiving or PDFs. Some features like sync cost extra. Can feel overwhelming without structure. Okay, let's talk about the final verdict. So choose DEVONthink if your priority is managing and archiving large volumes of files or research documents, especially on Mac OS. It's built for power users who need smart data handling. Or go with Obsidian if you're building a personal knowledge base, love the idea of linking ideas together, and want full control over notes using simple markdown. It's best for thinkers, writers, and developers who want a customizable open format